Hello everyone. So guys, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you or I will teach you how to recover your MetaMask or if you're forgotten MetaMask password in just a few steps. Okay? So, let's get started. So guys, if you have an account and you forget its password and that's why you won't be able to you aren't able to log in your account. So for us to recover our forgotten MetaMask password, you can follow the steps that I'm showing you. Okay, so here guys, so you can go to your MetaMask login. So after that guys, so as you can see here, we need to have our email and of course our password. So okay, so I think we forgot a password, so we need to put our email here, and after that guys, we will receive or we will notify from MetaMask that we need to reset our password. So after that guys, you can check your spam and also your your Gmail, and if you receive that notification, you can check that one and you can click that one guys to to change your password. And the other way guys, you can also uninstall or reinstall the application or the extension guys for you to recover your forgotten MetaMask password. And also the other way guys, if you have the 12 word secret phrase or the backup phrase, you need that one guys for us to recover our forgotten MetaMask password. So by using that one guys, we are unable to log in our account. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.